Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a very different sort of setup with the video. I hope you guys don't mind this one. I have my little background with some things at the back of my products that I love using, and obviously some awards I've got and some pictures that I've taken. So today's video is going to be about the unboxing for the Nyx Professional Makeup Australia. Yes, I'm holding scissors because I'm going to open my top 15 box. And yeah, I have an announcement. I was on the top 30 and I did do an unboxing, but I haven't actually put it up. So this video is going to be joined with both. So I'm going to give you the top 30 right now. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And a little setup over to my other side of my studio. And then you'll get the top 15. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. And here's the top 30. So welcome back to the top 15. So now let's do the top 15 unboxing. I'm excited because I have not opened it yet. It's still sealed. As you can see, the tape's still on. So I got my scissors so we can cut this open together and see what they've sent us. I'm excited. I know you're probably like, didn't you already go into the next Nyx top 30 last year? Of course I did. But I went on it just to have a, have a go, and I wanted to see the feel of doing the makeup challenge or competition. I was a bit disappointed with myself, to be honest, but this year I killed it. So, and thanks to you guys, like voting for me and everything, it helps a lot. So without you guys, I'd get nowhere. So remember that. So yeah. All right, let's get into this box. So I'm just opening it up and seeing what they get us. So now I'm just gonna get in here. Get in there. I have not opened this box, so oh my god, this is exciting. All right, so let's get the tissue paper out of the way. So the most exciting part. Okay, so we got the little pamphlet as the top 30 box as well has, and it says congratulations being on the top 15. Amazing, you know the drill, go wide with a box of amazing products, and a big thank you to the sponsors. If you could please see me through, oh well, obviously it's a different, I can't read you the whole thing, but yeah, it's just to let us know to send through some pictures and show you all the amazing sponsors that are for this competition. There is a lot of stuff in here and I want to show you everything, so I won't miss everything. I want to show you product by product because I feel like this video is going to take too long, but I will show you what's in the little bags. So the first one, I can see there is eyeshadows, and there is also what is this? I'm guessing this is a powder, set and don't fret it. Oh, it's a matte finish powder. Okay, this is interesting. And then there is a so this one actually has all eyeshadows, and then it has the setting powder, which is perfect because it has the color I need for myself and my model. They also sent us a Pure Active 3-in-1 Garnier skincare. Definitely need this, especially from doing all the face awards on my model. Yes, also that's another thing. I'm doing it on a model, so I'm not doing it on myself. I decided on a model because it's a lot harder and a lot of work, and on yourself is a little bit more easier. So I wanted to challenge myself to create some things on someone else. So yeah. And this one we got some lip pencils, I'm guessing. Some jumbo pencil, lip pencils. Oh, look at the color. Now, obviously the theme for the top 15 or the challenge was Enchanted. So they sent us some colors here, nice in greens. Perfect for what I want to do for the look. Can't wait to use that actually. Ooh, what are these? These are the Simple Pink lip creams. Ooh, I don't think I've tried any of the lip creams. I'm excited to try these. There's some beautiful colors, some nice coral pinks, peaches, nudes. Who doesn't love nudes? All right. Oh, I really wanted to try these. They are the color corrector liquids, so they're all the colors. If you know about your color correcting, you get yourself some of these. Yeah, I really wanted to try these, so I can't wait to try them on my girls and on my clients so they can see how good they are actually. All right, moving on. What have we else? We got another bag full of goodies. Oh, what else have we got in here? We got the illuminating sticks, some metallic lipsticks. Oh, these are different. I've never seen this. Whipped for it, I think they are. Plush. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know that. Is it a lipstick? I don't know. I'm gonna take it out so you can see, because I've never seen those before. These, look. These are new. I've never seen these. If you know what these are, I mean, you can actually tell me. Are they lipsticks or not? I'm gonna read it. Oh no, they're cheek. Oh, they're like cheek. Oh, whipped lip and cheek. Souffle. Sorry, my English is horrible. But I'm guessing they are like a tint. You know, like those tints that you put on lips and then on your cheeks. So these are like that. So yeah. Then we got, what else have we got in here? We got a mineral fondant tint. So I'm guessing this is a foundation. Oh, mineral foundation stick. I've never tried the NYX foundation sticks. So yeah. And this is in the color that I need. Thank you, Nyx. Thank you for sending me colors that I actually can use on myself. All right, so now this is the other bag. So now we got more lippies. So we got the butter gloss. I'm in lipstick heaven right now. There's so many lipsticks in here. Whew. Nyx, you're killing me. You're killing me with all these lipsticks. I have probably over 100,000 lipsticks now, thanks to you guys. Yeah, there's a lot. There's some there that I've already seen before, so you guys have seen it on Priceline, Priceline store, or at the NYX store in Pac Fair. So you guys will see them there. If you don't know what Pac Fair is, it's a local store which is called, shopping center, sorry, called Pacific Fair, and they have their own NYX Cosmetics store in there, and it's paradise. So you guys have to go and visit. What else we got in here? We got Priceline. Priceline, you've given us another gift card. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you how much is in here because, you know, but thank you very much, Priceline. This is generous and I love it, and I'm gonna add it with my other one, which I got in the other box. You guys spoil us too much. Ooh, Garnier, yes. Have you guys tried these? Because they're very hydrating. They're fantastic for your skin. So, and only use once a week a mask. Don't go crazy with them. So I can't wait to try these. They're hydrating. This is a ultra hydrating distressing mask. So you put it on for 15 minutes and it actually brightens your skin, makes it glowy, makes it hydrating, especially for this weather at the moment. We're in winter. Oh, our skin is so dry. My skin's been really, really dry lately, so thank you. Alrighty, so what else we got? Ooh, I've never tried these. Now this is the Sculpt and Highlight Face Duo Visage. So you guys probably seen it somewhere else or probably on the website. So this is a contour and highlight, as you can see in the little picture. I don't know if my phone, or I hope it's showing you what that is. So you basically contour, highlight on the areas that are needed. And this is in the color Almond. Ooh. I'm excited to see colors that I can actually use on myself. Thank you. And what else have we got in here? We've got Red Can and Garnier. Ooh, they're like a little mini hair products. Thank you, Red Can and Garnier. I'm gonna show you what Garnier sent us in a minute. So this is Red Can Pillow Improved Blow Dry. So this is an express treatment. One, no blow dry. So Boss Cream, air styling, easy dry. I've actually tried this before, and the same thing. Get out of the shower, don't have time to dry it, put it all over your hair, you know, put the window down a little bit, air dry it. It doesn't take that long, I promise you. All right, what else we got? And now we got a heat and restyling technology. So this is a thermal hold spray. Perfect, especially if you use heat on your hair. Please always protect your hair from heat, because this is how you get split ends, girls and guys. You know how it is. And then we got Garnier has given us, ooh, a peel mask. Yes, now this is gonna help with my scarring on my face. Obviously you don't see it because I got makeup on, but this is a juicy peel mask. So this is the mini ones I wanna try. I'm pretty sure they have these in the store. I think I've seen them. They're actually very affordable, very easy to use. We got the Aqua Mask. Then we have the Volcano Mask. Then the Matcha Kaolin Mask. Purifying it. Okay, I never heard of this one. So I'm gonna try this as well. And then we have the Honey Mask. You guys have to try the Honey Mask. They're very hydrating for the skin. It's just beautiful. Thank you, Garnier. That's lovely. All right, what else do we have in here? We'll put them back in there. We have Garnier micellar water. You guys are just the best, because I just ran out. I buy probably about 10 bottles, and they do not last in this house. So, especially since I use a lot of it for clients. Thank you very much for that, Garnier. Now I can use as much as I want with this, and they're actually really good for waterproof mascara or any waterproof makeup. You guys are just gonna love it. All right, so moving on to the next things. What else we got in here? We got some BB creams from Garnier. So we got Naturals All Day in One BB cream. So we got light and medium. So we got both colors. This is the only colors that come in Garnier. They don't come any darker. So I'm hoping the medium sits nicely with my skin, because sometimes I do go darker with the sun. Yeah, but I can't wait to try it. I don't mind I don't mind BB creams. They're just not like the most high coverage. So I guess if you're a very natural person, this would be ideal for yourself. Some Garnier micellar wipes. My sister, I think, is gonna come here and steal everything, because she just loves micellar water as well. Yeah. Thank you, Garnier. That's wonderful. Woo, this is my favorite one. Look, this is the HD Studio Photogenic Foundation. I love this. Very hydrating, very dewy. It's not matte. So for the dry girls, you know their thing. This is in the color Sand Beige. Yeah, it feels really, really nice on the skin, especially when your skin's really dry. I have another one. So this one's in the soft beige. So this is a little bit more yellow tone, as you can see. The other one's a little bit more golden, and this is more yellow. The lash primer, I've used this before. Great to use, especially if you don't have waterproof mascara. Use the lash primer. Yeah, you won't be disappointed with that one. Ooh, I love these. These are my favorite. So this is the ombre blushes. I have one already. Actually, I bought one not long ago. It's like an orangey, what is it? Orangey sort of tone, and it has it's like a sunset. It looks like a sunset. I have to look up the name. I'll put it down below and I'll show you guys. So this one's in magnetic, and this one's in the pronunciation of those names, but I love how unique they are. I love them. The more harder the name, the better and the unique the product is. Yeah. Another BB cream. We got a, is this a BB cream? What is this? Beauty Balm Perfection in a tube. Oh, so it's like a BB cream with a slight tint, I'm guessing. Yes, so this is in the color Natural. It brightens, smooths, moisturizes, it's oil-free, mineralized, enriched. So this is even better. Alrighty, and we got the last but not least, Butt Naked. I love this. Butt Naked, turn to the other cheek. And this is, oh, what is this? You get 15 eyeshadows, 4 blushes, 3 illuminators, and a beautiful mirror in here. So this is what this looks like at the back. I will open this so you guys can see it, so this video is not so short. I will put it in here. And with my trusty scissors, see what this looks like. So you guys can see what it looks like. Oh, things are pulling over. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, okay. So it looks like this. If you guys can see it there, hopefully it's not shining too much. The lighting, and then you're probably wondering where's the rest of it. Now I'm gonna figure this out, how to open it. I'm guessing you lift it? You lift it up? No? Oh my god, I don't know how to open it. Oh, have I destroyed it? No, I haven't. Oh, you slide it. Do you not try what I just did? I just tried to open it, nearly killed the eyeshadows. Slide it open like this. So don't try pulling it because that does not work. So these are the blushes there down the bottom and illuminators. Look how beautiful they are. I'm hoping that light's not blinding you guys and you can see it. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, Nyx. These are just beyond amazing. Even though last year you guys spoiled us to death for being on the top 30. This year it's been amazing as well because I've been trying all the new products from NYX. They've coming up with so many things and I cannot wait to try them all. Thank you so much. And guys, don't forget to keep updated with my work on social media. So I do post a lot on Instagram. That's my main social site that I post everything. I do stories, so sometimes I do lives. So yeah, thanks to you guys, I'm on the top 15. Thank you so much for voting. This has been amazing and I can't wait for you guys to see my Enchanted challenge. I hope you guys like it and vote for me to get onto the top 6. And if not, then thank you so much for supporting me as well. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. It wasn't too boring or anything. Don't forget to, like always, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you liked this little different setup, I guess. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.